What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. As y'all can see by today's thumbnail, man, I'm gonna be doing something with baby girl, with my older, with Shayla or whatever. So today, man, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the cutlass out. I'm gonna throw one of the racing rims on the back. Then we're gonna let her take it out, man. I'm gonna start showing some stuff. I mean, we're gonna have some more stuff going on in the vlog, but that's the main thing, whatever, cause that's what I'm using for my thumbnail. I already had this planned out. Start showing how to use the impact and all that good stuff. But you know, but today I'm finna dry this one. So the way I roll, man, they look like, man, let me turn this off, man. Like this, like we in heaven, boy. It's bright. But y'all know how I roll. I just alternate days, man. Every day is pretty. I hop in one of them. So I'm hopping in John Jones today. We only thing we're gonna do is bag this one out. But I'm gonna dry this today. Like I said, every day. Why you gonna have a car? Why you gonna have a car and do all this stuff too and all that and ain't gonna drive it? So, you know, that's what's going on. We about to dry this thing and have a good time. And when she'll get back from school, we're gonna get to it. So y'all stay tuned. Took that cover off Mr. Jones, boy. He's clean, boy. Look at it. He's still clean. Mr. Jones clean. Y'all can't tell me Mr. Jones ain't clean. That bad boy glistening. We glistening, boy. Oh yeah, man. Look, hold on, y'all. I might get something set up for y'all. Wait a minute. All right, y'all. We got Shell taking the wheels off, trying to teach. Go ahead, put it on there. Take it off. Spin it off. Spin it some more. Is it off? All right. See, it'll be off. Get your lug out of there. There you go. Go to the neck. All right, pull it off. You got it off?
Yeah.
Yep. Hold on. Get the neck. Get the necks. Put it on there. You gotta hold on. You gotta twist it. See, when they do that, you gotta twist it. Make sure it go on there. Take it off. Tap it a little bit. Tap the trigger. All right. Keep tapping it. Till there you go. Now it's on there. All right. Hold on. You can spin it out with you. Let me see. Now you can get it. Put it on there. Spin it on there till it goes. All right. Come on. Keep on. There you go. Now.
The tire almost came off.
It's almost, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
All right. Dump it out. That's the one that had got stuck in it. Nah.
Go out.
Shake it. All right, hold on. Sit that down. Now, set it like this.
Mommy.
Now pull it off.
Mama, there's some banana peels here. There's banana peels here.
Yeah, try to pull it out. All right, when that happens, take this off. Like that, wiggle it off. Yeah, take that out there. Wiggle it side to side and pull it. Like this, see? Now take that and screw it back on there. Yeah, screw it back on there a little bit. All right, now wiggle it out. You see that? Now screw it back on. It didn't catch it. Screw it on there. Is it screwing on? You feel it? All right, now wiggle that off. Pull the socket out. Look. Yeah, like that. Keep on wiggling. It'll come off. Keep on. Wiggle and pull it, dude. You gotta pull it towards you while you wiggle. Yeah, like that. It's gonna come off. Keep on. Wiggle it hard like that. Wiggling. See? Now spin it out with your hand. No, just get it with your hand like that. Turn it. Wrong way. You tighten it. Take it off. Take it all the way out then. Alright. Now move all your stuff back. Move it back. Set this over here. Now take your towel. Grab your towel. Take it off. Grab your rim, take it off. Look, grab it right here. Put your hand right there and pull it off.
Baba, wait.
Pull it
Baba.
off. Pull it off.
Wait, Baba. After I finish this, I want to show you something.
Shake it. There you go. Watch your hand. Now grab it by the top right here. Yeah, like that. And you're learning to take it off. Grab it low right here. Now pull it off. There you go. So you about to come on. Come on. Pull it on off. Yeah, there you go. Come on. Gotta teach her, y'all. Gotta teach her. Come on, pull it off. Now grab it up here and pull it. There you go. Now pull it on out and roll it away. Yep, alright, take it in the garage. She got it off. Alright, so y'all see we got the cutlass all put up, man. Had to take it down the street for a second since I had did all that. So we got the cutlass put up and all that, man. Another good day, another good video. And all that, you know, gonna keep the content rolling for y'all, man. Keep the family involved and stuff too, and all that good stuff. You know what I mean. All that good stuff, man. Teach them early and all of that. Teach them early, man. And y'all got to see a little something. A little something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's all about enjoying these whips every day. Just living life. That's what we doing. Living life, man. You just living life, enjoying it, man. Put my people on. Showing the kid, enjoying the family. That's what it's about. Positivity, man. Positive vibes only and all that. But we got some more heat coming. I told y'all all year long, man, Brown Coat Gang is going in. Brown Coat Gang is going in, man. Y'all be seeing the wrenches turning off. Y'all saw the wrenches turn last year. This year is about some action. So we're going to be hitting the track, man. The fleet going to be almost complete and whole again. Then finally, I'll be done achieve what I always wanted to achieve and have everything in the fleet running at the same time. It's coming. So if you missed my video, about meats, then you need to go check that out because you're going to be lost if you don't. But finally, man, we're going to have the fleet all together at one time. Then we got, like I said, we got wifey car in the paint shop, getting that wet on it, getting that wet. Her car going to be clean. She's going to finally be able to ride and enjoy herself. Then we got Dolo. I got an update on Dolo. I'm going to have oil pressure this week. I will tell y'all that. I'm going to have oil pressure this week. I can't wait. I can't wait to hear that car, man. I can't wait to drive it. I'm going to have oil pressure this week. Boy, it's going down. Then I'm going to get it back. I'm going to drive it around. Boom, boom, regular street manners. And I'm going to go in and get the fuel system done, which ain't going to take long. And by fuel system, I mean fuel line. I got pumps and stuff already. Y'all know that. But the fuel line got to be changed. We got to go to bigger fuel lines and stuff. And then I'm be ready for that. Hey, it going down. It going down, boy. I ain't felt no nitrous in a long time, man. I ain't felt no nitrous in meat. That's all meat to ever been nitrous. I ain't felt no nitrous in meat. So I say this, like I said, I'm gonna say this, man. Dolo, y'all saw meat back in the day with the big block. Dolo gonna be way faster than meat with the big block. Back in the day in the 2012, 11 random time. Dolo about to be faster, and I never intended for that car to be this. But when people didn't buy the car, like, well, I'm about to go in there. People want to play around. They don't know how much money it takes to go into these cars to build them. It takes some, even on a budget aspect. Like I said, y'all saw I spent 5 figures. I spent like 15 grand, which is that's budget. It's cheap. I spent like 15 grand, probably more than that. But now it just done went to. It went past what I originally planned. That was a budget big rim bill, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna have fun. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, man. Stay in the loop. We're gonna keep the content coming for you. Now, like I said, I'm about to collab with some of my people. I told y'all this channel not all about cars all the time. I'm telling you now, I'm about to collab with some of my people. If you see the thumbnail and it ain't something you don't like, why click on it? There's dummy moves. Don't do that. Don't do that, cause man, what's gonna happen? I'm just gonna start deleting the comments. If it's just idiotic, I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete it after I do what I do first. After I do what I do, then I'm gonna delete it. Cause come on now, But other than that, like I said, I got some collabs coming, man. Gonna be some entertaining content and all that. Y'all just stay tuned in every day. Dolo will be back home soon. And that's it. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.